Hot pixels can be really annoying, especially if you do a lot of long exposures. Trying to edit them out can sometimes take a lot of time. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick trick on how you can scan and remove hot pixels in your photos just using Lightroom. And I'm going to start right now. So firstly, what are hot pixels? Well, hot pixels look like this: red, green, blue, or even white dots appearing randomly throughout your image. And it's caused by your sensor overheating, or when you use your sensor for extended periods, more than 5 seconds, for example. So when you do long exposures, you'll probably find hot pixels in your image. Now, it's not your sensor, there's no issues necessarily with your sensor, because they'll appear randomly throughout your image, and every time you take a photo, they won't always appear in the same location. So firstly, I'll show you how you can scan for them, because that's most important, and then I'll show you guys how you can remove them. Okay, so firstly, go ahead and open up Lightroom and choose your photo. Now, as a reference photo, it's a photo I've taken at Battersea Power Station in London, and it's a 30-second exposure. So really, worst case scenario when it comes to the amount of hot pixels within your photo. I've also turned off long exposure noise reduction in camera, because sometimes that can help remove the amount of hot pixels within your photo. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to head over to my remove tool. Now all you'll need to do is go ahead and zoom in. Now straight away, they're very difficult to spot. You can see possibly a few in the sky. Just bear in mind, this is an overcast day, so there's no stars in the sky. But it is very difficult to work out exactly where they appear. But luckily, Lightroom's got a super handy tool. Just underneath your main remove tool, you've got this tool overlay, and you've got a slider called Visualize Spots. All you need to do is go ahead and toggle that on. What this will do is it'll invert the image and show all of the textures. So where there are lots of textures, obviously you're not going to be able to find the hot pixels, but they're not going to be obvious anyway. Where they will be obvious is when you've got a consistent background, like for example, an overcast sky. And as you can see, there are loads of these random dots appearing. Now, these obviously aren't stars because there was clouds in the way, so these have to be hot pixels. Now what's nice is you've also got a slider so you can change the control amount, but usually what I like doing is just whacking up to max so you can see all of the larger hot pixels within your image. Once you've found them, what I recommend doing is just selecting the normal remove tool, turning off use generative AI and detect objects because we're not going to need it, and just simply choose the right size brush. So I'm going to choose about this size and then simply click. And then that's all you'll need to do. Find all of the hot pixels just simply by removing all of these dots. Now again, depending on the length of your exposure will depend on how many you need to remove. In my case, 30 seconds, there's going to be a lot appearing within my photo. So let me quickly remove them now. And as you can see, there are a lot of hot pixels within my image. I'm sure I've missed a few, but as you can see, using the Visualize Spots tool is an incredibly handy overlay to firstly scan for them, and then just simply use the generic remove tool to easily remove them from your photo. Thank you to all of my YouTube members that are currently supporting the channel. If you guys want to support the channel and get some awesome perks, including free Lightroom presets, make sure to go ahead to the link in the description. I've been James for Photo Fever, and I'll catch you guys next week.